quick update on the session. This is a result of a discussion we're having at the on the S5 chat room. A reminder that derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Let's switch to the charts and look at what has happened. The market opened just where we were at the trader bite. It did try to test higher. It missed yesterday's high by a tick. Let me turn down my news feed. And then we got the responsive selling that was expected back to 2107.75. The expectation is it would push to 2107.75, potentially continue lower, break this overnight low, and tag this gap, chop around here, build an HVN down here, and then the expectation was for it to rotate back up. This is all Hypo 1. Rotate back up to 2119. We had an impulsive move out of this chop zone. Impulsive move of 8.5 points, so looking for a continuation move, and this 19 to be tagged, our target. And so what you have is a point of control that has shifted down into 2112.50. What do you think this 2112.50? It is the MC point of control. It's the composite point of control of this area and yesterday's high volume node. And so while it was chopping around here in the middle this morning, it seemed like it wasn't going anywhere. What it was doing is it was building this high volume node early on, and you can see that the point of control got there, and then after maturing for a little bit, it had the energy to push through to our target of 2119. Then it chopped around here quite a bit to shift the point of control up. This pink line is where the point of control is moving throughout the session. We moved the point of control higher, and lo and behold, we put in this high volume node up here in line with the acceptance from this VPOC. This VPOC was formed by a high volume node. And my question to the room is, the market is screaming out what it wants to do. Can you see it? And many guessed correctly, but I want to make sure it's clear what's happening here, because you don't get these clean auctions very often. And so what we have is an auction that is falling back through yesterday's high, and today's LVN is falling back through. So what is it saying? It's saying that it has shifted and has tested this prior value area, high volume node and VPOC. It's not able to hold on to this price. It's not able to keep buyer interest. So what is it likely to do next with a high probability? If it breaks through the LVN, it's likely to test the prior point of control, which is 2112.50, which is also the MC point of control, and it's likely to go lower. So the expectation now, as long as it holds 2116, we're back into yesterday's range. As long as it holds 2116, the expectation is for it to take out yesterday's gap and start working its way through to lower levels into the session. We don't have anything here that screams out that we're likely to have a news event or anything, but the next level down is likely to be 2105. 2105, the expectation is it would push to 2105 and build an HVN down there. If not, if it cannot find buyers, then it's likely that it'll need to dig deeper into 2101.50. That's what I had for you. Good luck.